This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable hardware acceleration on Discord. I will be using the desktop app on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Discord here. I have the Discord app opened up now. A few months ago I did this video on how to enable or disable hardware acceleration in Discord, and now Discord has moved where it's at now. But to find it now, you want to go down to the bottom, down to the little gear wheel. You want to click on the little gear wheel to open up Settings. And under Settings, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to scroll down a little ways, down to the App Settings section. And in the App Settings section, the second thing down, Appearance, click on Appearance. And then down towards the bottom, you want to click on Advanced. And then in the center pane, you want to scroll down just a little ways, and in the Advanced section, Enable Hardware Acceleration. If this is toggled on, then hardware acceleration is enabled. If you toggle it off, it'll ask you to change and restart. I would click on Change and Restart if I wanted to turn it off. But that is how to enable or disable hardware acceleration on Discord. Thanks for watching.